In the world of finance, there's a revolution underway. Algorithmic trading, the process of using computer programs to automate trades, is changing the game. But what does this mean for the average investor, specifically in the world of Forex? Imagine a world where trades are executed with precision, speed, and efficiency, all while you sleep. That's the world of Forex automation. Forex automation uses algorithms based on predetermined criteria such as price or timing to automatically execute trades. This eliminates human error, reduces transaction costs, and can significantly increase profits. It's like having a personal financial advisor working around the clock, making sure you never miss a golden opportunity. But remember, while it may sound like a magic bullet, Forex automation is a tool, not a guarantee. It's critical to understand the algorithm's underlying strategy and stay updated on market trends. So dive into the revolutionary world of Forex automation. Learn, adapt, and conquer the market with algorithmic trading.